YouTube, what's going on? This is JT Black in my garage time. Black in my garage time. Black in my garage time. All right, y'all. Welcome back to I Need My Garage Time. All right, so y'all see it. I got another Camaro at the finish line. I'm done with it. 1985 Camaro Z28. Um, Easy, super easy kit to build. The color is I did two coats of Duplicolor black. I did two coats of Duplicolor 1K clear. The bottom is a Tamiya's gray, aircraft gray, and the wheels as well. And the center caps is a Tester's matte black, and the tail lights are stoplight red, Tamiya tangerine orange, and just a regular white Tester. I mean, no, I'm sorry. It's a Tester's stoplight red, a Tester's tangerine orange, and a regular Tester's white. All right, so these two lights here, they're decals. They didn't fit in there that well, but they're on there, and there's a decal Camaro sign. I got the Camaro license plate and the Camaro on the windshield. This light was a decal. I got a Z28 right here, and all the pinstripe, those are decals, which it comes in like three or four different colors. You could choose from. I think it had like it's got this black and gray. It's got a blue and black, I think, and a red and black, and like an orange color black. The stripes, the Z28, all those have all the decals come with it. Also with the decals for the seats to match. Um, yeah. So let me now. I didn't when I when I when I started on this kit, as any other car, I really didn't know what color I was going to do it. But I started Googling pictures of the 85 Camaro Z28, and it was showing me I wanted to go with the black and gold. That's what I thought about it first, the black and gold. But I thought that I wasn't going to find the right kind of gold, and I was going to end up stripping it down. So I went with something that was fairly easy color. So I went with the black and gray. I found that picture you guys saw in the beginning of the video. So I said, okay, I'm going to make it look just like that. So that's what I did. Um, I had no issues at all. The only issues I had is because of something I did. I switched the tires out. Um, these um, these tires here were the one that came with the kit. And you see the inside of it. It's solid in the inside, so they just fit right on. The wheel back snap on one end, the rim itself snaps on the front part. Being that these wheels here, those wheels are not like that. Um, I had to modify it to where I had to trim some of the wheel back off to where the wheel and the back and the rim and the back are closed together, and then I had to put some glue around the back of the tire so it could stay in place. So these tires came from Model Roundup. It's an AMT little package. It comes with two sets of tires in it. Um, these are the same tires that come with the Boss 302, the 69 Chevelle, one of those Camaro kits. I think a 69 Camaro, I believe. Um, And it comes in a couple of more kits too, I think. But the good thing about it is I didn't have to cut them off a rubber tree and sand them down, all that stuff. They was already ready to go. So I saw it online. Model Roundup said it was back in stock, so I had to give me a box of it because I have a Mustang kit up there that I took the tires from. So I need to replace those. So I might end up ordering some more, another box or two. Uh, so I in the pictures I think you can see, but it's a lid down there in front. You can see in the front of the gear shifter. I put a Z28 decal right there as well. And here on the trunk, I act as if it had a trunk pad on it. So this kit came with two Camaro license plates, one for the front, one for the back. But since I had a plate to go on the back, I used one of the plates and put it to make it look like a trunk pad, and it had Camaro on it. And then you can see up under it, I put another decal that says Z28 on there. And there's the decals for the seats and the door panels and around the windshield. The hood don't it closes, but it don't have a tight fit as the way it did when I first test fit, and I think it's just because of the paint. Got it like that. But there's the engine. That's a decal around here, and I also added another Camaro Z28 decal. It's this one on the valve cover. It say Camaro Z28 5.0 liter. It was just a decal. The decal was numbered, but it wasn't on the instruction to put it anywhere. So on the actual car, it's another one here on the dashboard. You really can't see it, but on the actual car, on the IROC version of this car, it had the Z28 5.0 liter right there. But see, I put another one decal there. It just says Z28 because that's all it said. It was engraved in the dash. That's all it said was Z28. So that's all I did. I just put that on there. Um, that's all. I think I threw away my clear parts for my side mirrors. I had already emptied out my trash can, so I guess those are gone to the dumpster. Uh, but yeah, I'm not worried about it though. But yeah, this kit is real easy kit to build. I like it. I plan on building another one. I recommend you guys go grab this kit if you have it. Cause see, I walked around this kit so many times. I picked it up, looked at it, put it in my basket, held it in my hand, held it up under my arm, all that stuff, man, and ended up putting it back. And I went back again and did the same thing again. I finally picked it up and got it. Uh, so I'm happy I did. And guess what? I didn't use no glue at all. No glue at all. I didn't use on this kit. I don't know if I already said that or not, but I didn't use no glue. The only glue I used was for the wheels. Um, that's it. And like I said, the hood got a little. It looked like it don't want to fit right, but there it is. Yep. And then let me see. I just saw that too. Like the back wheel look like it's kind of sitting kind of inward, but it's just because I had those tires are not the ones that go on it. All right, y'all. So that's it. That's all. And I'm going to start my next project tomorrow, which is going to be the Peterbilt 359. I'm going to start putting it together. Uh, I got to finish this truck over here, the GMC General. I have a pile of plastic pieces over here from the AMT weekend wrenching kit that I put together. I just got to paint it. I got it over there sitting in the corner. Uh, I had to repair some cars that was in my display case because the backboard on it failed and it just knocked stuff loose. So I had to take my time and put that stuff back together. So all right, y'all, that's it and that's out. Y'all stay tuned for updates on this peak. It looks like it's going to be a fairly easy kit to build. Being that I'm familiar with some of the parts now because of I did the first one. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. That's it. And that's all. I'm out. Y'all come and tell me what y'all think about. Oh yeah, I appreciate all the comments, y'all. I've been trying to reply to them. And welcome to my channel to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you all. And I try to upload much content as I can, but during the week I really don't have a lot of time, so I'm doing the best I can. And I'm going to sooner or later graduate to where I could start posting, do videos while I'm working on the kit. To who I don't know, I haven't even been doing this stuff for 4 years yet. I've been building kits since late January, early February of this year. So I got to get comfortable to where I can, do work to, record my work on the camera. So, and I also still need other recording equipment. I just got the mic, so, but I need other stuff too before I can, get to where I can um, record my work that I'm doing. So, all right, y'all, that's it. That's all. I'm out.